How to delete Facebook activity log all at once. So basically, Facebook does provide a direct clear all button for the activity log. Today we are here with step-by-step guide on how to do it. So let's get started. Firstly, launch the Facebook app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, simply tap on the three dashboard option available in the bottom right corner of your screen to navigate to the menu section. Now here, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the settings and privacy. Then tap on the settings. Once inside settings, scroll down unless you see activity log option available there. Once you see the activity log option available, simply tap on it. Now once you're inside the activity log, you can see the activity history option available on the top right next to the trash. Simply tap on the activity history. Now here you can see all your activity, but basically you cannot delete it from here. You cannot delete all at once from here, or neither you can delete anything from the activity history. So how you can delete it? Now simply go back to the settings again. Now scroll up, then tap on the account center option available at the top. After you tap on the account center, simply tap on your information option available there. Now then tap on the your activity of Meta Technologies. After you tap on it, you will be navigated to the clear your recent activity option available. Simply tap on it, then tap on the clear. Now you will be navigated to the page where you'll have to confirm the cleared all activity option. Now do so and all your activity will be deleted. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.